Goodbye. I will tell you a story. One day, the weather was so cold. When I was playing in the backyard, I heard strange sound. I followed the sound and saw a cat shaking from the cold. I felt sad and told my father to bring a box to put the cat in it. My father covered the cat with a heavy blanket. After the cat felt warm, we gave her milk. After that, the cat slept with a smile on her face. I was so happy, and I thanked my father because he made the cat feel better. I love cat. It's so cute. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.